Hey, what's going on, Ross Mac? It's Eric. I really appreciate this opportunity for asking this question. My question would be, what is the best way to invest for a long term with your spouse when you have so much going on? You have 9 to 5s, you have children, you have obligations, and you are building a business. What is the best way and the most intricate way and the most successful way to invest with your spouse? Thank you.
Well, one, I love the question because I'm married, and the cheat code to building true wealth is being married, combining incomes, and you're sharing expenses. So I think I think the biggest misconception a lot of couples might make is trying to invest perfectly, right? Let's put that out the window. Nothing's going to be perfect, but what has to be perfect is consistency, right? I think you and your spouse have to be on the same game plan of saying this is what our ultimate goal is. Is it to, we're investing to buy a home, we're trying to retire early. You also mentioned you have kids, and also, you say you guys are building a business. So I think getting on the same wavelength is first thing, but next is automating everything. And so I think as a parent, as a spouse, you have to first say, okay, is home taken care of? Do we have our safety net, right? Meaning our do we have our fully funded emergency fund? Are we budgeting appropriately? And then also, I look at a lot of things, from a in every there's no one size fits all, but I think as, married couples, I think, I'm okay with having separate bank accounts, but I think there should be a joint account that both people are allocating to, contributing to based on, who directly correlated to how much money each of you make. And from there, you could do joint, use that for paying bills as well as using that to invest, right? And so when it comes to investing, I want you to automate everything from 401ks to Roth IRAs, as well as to your kids' 529 and custodial accounts. And I think that is one of the biggest things. And so I love the question. Automate everything, take the guess and work out of it. And that will allow you to focus your time on being a parent as well as building out your business. But I love the question.